What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6's channel. Today we're showing you guys how to replace the door panels on your Series 3. Just in case you guys want to replace the wooden trim, or if you guys want to paint the leather on the door panel. This one used to be a biscuit color, now it's gray. Or if you guys want to replace the door speaker. So let's get to it. Put on the wood trim and slide it towards the dash. Remove 4 Phillips screws underneath the armrest. There's a hidden screw behind this cover. Pull the back of the armrest up and then towards you, and the front pull towards the right. Now you can remove the door panel. The speakers are held down by 4 screws. And there you go, you guys. It's that simple to remove the door panels on a Series 3. The procedure is the same for all the doors except for the driver's side. You have to remove the side mirror switch, which is held down by 2 screws. While the door panels are out and removed, you might as well treat any rust that you see behind it and lubricate all the components. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next one. Late.